Here it is, guys. It's finished. Looking good. Looking real good. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys followed the videos as to how it was done. Customer will be adding all the chrome trimmings, the moldings, everything. What do you think? There it is, guys. It's a quick video of the finish of this El Camino. If you want to follow, I'm going to be posting the entire video from start to finish next weekend. So if you guys want to follow it, it's gonna be from start to finish. But this is it, guys. Hope you liked it. Thank you very much. Stay safe like always. God bless.